Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into your Fidelity Investment account. To log into your existing Fidelity Investment account, first you need to go ahead and open a web browser. Now into the URL box, type in fidelity.com and search. From the main homepage of Fidelity, go ahead and click on the login button at the very top. To log into your account, you will need to type in your username and then your account's login password. Start off by typing in your user ID in the first text box, and on the next field, type in your correct login password. If you don't remember your password or your username, click the Forgot Username or the Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. If you don't have a Fidelity account, you can get started by clicking on the Sign Up or Open an Account option. But if you have your credentials correct for your existing account, you can type it down and click Login, which will then sign you into your Fidelity Investment account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.